everyone. My name is Lesego coming to you from Take Profit FX Pro. In today's topic, we are going to be talking about the Forex market sessions. So it's all about timing this time, hey? So now, since we're discussing the Forex market sessions, I think it's only important to start with discussing the importance of the Forex market sessions. Well, it's very important to trade as a trader to know your Forex market sessions as you are able to take the advantages of volatility within a particular pair and instrument which you are trading. So the Forex market sessions, they do fall under uh, additional Forex market resources. So, meaning those are one of other tools in which, as a Forex trader, you must be able to have under your bag. Those are very important, hey, as additional. So, other options or other things that are included in additional Forex market resources are the news. Those are the time frames which fall under the Forex market sessions which you will be trading. So now there are types of Forex market sessions which we are going to talk about. The first market session is the Asian market session, which there are two market sessions within it. There's the Sydney and there's the Tokyo market session. This is where you find active, this is where the markets are active during those the Asian market sessions, which are the Canadian, the New Zealand, the Australian, the Chinese market, and the Japanese market. Furthermore, the next Forex market session is the London market session. On the London market session, that's where you find the Great British market session. Then you also find the European market session. And within that, that's the JSE, known as the Johannesburg Stock Exchange. So we will be discussing how those market sessions are arranged later on. Lastly, we have the New York market session. On the New York market session, obviously, the New York Stock Exchange plays a key role in the market. It's the majority of that market session, but you also find other South American markets within it. So next, what we're discussing is the advantages of trading trading within a particular market session. When you trade within that particular market session, the advantages is, like I said, is finding volatility within a particular pair. Like for example, you get people that want to trade Nasdaq, which is an instrument, or for example, you trade any pair that includes the USD within it. So by doing that, that's where you can get more out of it, because now the pairs will be moving faster. As to what happens during that active market session is during that particular market session when it's open, meaning the banks, their businesses are running during that time. Uh, Basically there's an exchange, there's foreign exchange, and there's an exchange of services, and money is being brought in and taken out of that particular market session. So obviously there's bound to be active volatility within that market. So when you open your trading charts during that particular open active market session, that's where you will see that the candlestick or the charts, or price itself, is moving very fast. So when you're trading during that active market session, you are able to make more at a quicker time, or to lose more money at a quicker time, than a person who's trading that very same pair that you're trading during or outside of that market session. So basically, the Forex market, it operates 24 hours a day for 5 days a week, meaning from Monday till Friday. That is where the Forex market will operate. So during that 24 hours, those three market sessions, that's where the three market sessions are divided in. Like I said, there's the Asian market session, there's the New York market session, and lastly, there's the London market session. Now, as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, I use 20 I use market 24-hour clock. I'll write the link on the description below. I use the market 24-hour clock to check exactly which session is still awake. And as you can see here below, the ones that are highlighted the same color as the highlight on the clock itself, meaning the markets that are highlighted in orange are also highlighted on a 24-hour market clock, meaning those markets are awake. So meaning the Johannesburg Stock Exchange, the JSE, the Moscow, the London Stock Exchange, the Zurich 6, the Frankfurt, Sao Paulo, New York, NYSE Stock Exchange, Nasdaq, Toronto, Chicago, New York Stock Exchange. They are all awake, meaning business is active and business is running as usual. That means there are, like I said, exchanges in financial instruments, meaning there are exchanges, there are imports, exports. The companies, the banks are awake, the companies are running. So everything is just financially active. After viewing this, for me to take advantage of it, as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, as I go to my MetaTrader, my trading app, as you can see, which ones here are moving faster. The ones like Nasdaq, like gold, US dollar, the US 30, they are the ones that are moving fastest. Meaning, as you go back to your market 24-hour clock, you will be able to know that anything that has the USD in it, anything that has the ZAR, anything that has the great British pound, anything that has the euro in it is moving fast. Now let us go to the chart. Try to see, this is an hour chart. And as you can see how Nasdaq is moving during an hour chart is basically more faster than the normal times when the New York Stock Exchange or the Nasdaq is not awake. So if you decide to enter a trade now, that whichever pair or instrument the market is open in it, you will experience volatility. Volatility is your friend, meaning you will be able to get big movements at a shorter period of time. Learn this, study how to use the market sessions, identify which market session is open, take advantage of it, make money. See you at the banks or the beaches. Before you do, please likely subscribe and hit the like button for more exclusive content based to you by the Take Profit FX Pro. You can also catch me on social media. The links will be on the descriptions on all the accounts that are active, that are running, that are giving you exclusive content. Now, see you at the banks or the beaches.